has been hyping up the China threat theory over the years. However, rather than intimidating the world, the growing China threats identified by the US have become more and more hilarious, as it has gone further to more unexpected items. Chinese-made crane is a new threat to be scrutinized by the most powerful country in the world. Two US Congress committees are looking into Swiss engineering group AB's operations in China, particularly about the installation of AB equipment by Chinese company, Shanghai Zhenhua Heavy Industries, onto ship-to-shore cranes that are bound for the US. While commenting on the investigation, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbing said, "It seems that the paranoia of some US politicians is getting worse. For those US politicians, anything advanced from China can be a threat, and must be stopped by all means. This explains the constant extension of Chinese products listed by the US as threats to its national security. From accusing Chinese IT manufacturers of leaving backdoor in their products to calling Chinese cranes Trojan horse that collect intelligence, and to blaming China-produced EV cells for harming US national security, US paranoid politicians have been blowing up the bubble of China threat, while exposing their real aim of suppressing China's development in the name of national security." Last December, a US senator even requested an investigation into the US imports of garlic from China, calling the imports a threat to US national security. These claims contradicted common sense and revealed the political paranoia of some US officials when it comes to China-related matters. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin said, "Perhaps, shirts and socks are the only type of Chinese exports that do not threaten the US.